Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. And there's another Amazon Prime unboxing to do, I do believe. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Hope everyone had a good day so far. It is 9/11, and we have unboxing. Product Tech Corporation. Not sure where this is coming from, but we're about to find out. And all you gotta do is click on the link down below, see what other goodies they have to offer. This is the first one they have. Let's see what this says. Got the little note. TREBLAB. Uh-oh. These are coming from TREBLAB on Amazon. Trilly wireless earbuds. TREBLAB. Whoa, these are some nice ones. Alright, we got a nice package. I'll drop you guys down a little bit. Really nice package right here. High-end beryllium drivers, secure fit, wireless calls, 12 hours playtime, 6 hours plus 6 hours with the charger case. So the case charges it on its own. All you gotta do is charge up the case and take it with you. Be great for doing vlogs. Ouch. Playing some games. And listening to some music, of course. Oh, I cut myself a little bit. Uh-oh. So definitely thank you guys for sending me this. I do believe this is a paid for video. So thank you guys also. And definitely check them out, YouTubers. Add this to your Amazon list. And here we go. So we got this. Nice box. There we go. And it's all Bluetooth. Ah, nice little packaging. Yeah, buddy. Here's a charging case. Nice portable size, compact, easy to store in your pocket, gym bag, purse. Your little fanny pouches. How do you open it? There's how you turn it on. Bluetooth. Oh, there we go. Kind of like that. Boom. Left, right. See what else this thing has. Oh, we got some replacement buds. The tips. So that's cool. These must be the USB charge. There we go. Really cool. And boom, boom, boom. I think it's automatic charging already. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, we'll go on to Bluetooth mode. See if we can pull it up. See if we can find these TREBLABs. Oops. Where did it go? Oh man. Oh, something goes wrong. Okay. Let's see if it pulls it up. Alright. There's. I could find it. Now, I'm going to scan these. Oops. These are nice. Really nice looking. Kind of futuristic. Got the magnetics right there to charge it. When you put it back in the case, it connects right there. So that's really cool. How do you turn these on? Play forward. E7. These are okay. Do a little scan again. So maybe they have to connect. Hold on 1 second. Try to figure this out. Gotta pause. Alright, got them in the charging dock. Flashing. Scanning on my phone. Maybe. Gotta be something with the key, so let me hold on 1 sec. Alrighty, YouTubers. These will start flashing once you hold the plus for about 3 seconds, and then it'll come up TREBLAB by 5 on the Bluetooth. Gotta hit OK and pair it up. And I think they are connected. Yep. Alright. Let me unlock them. Let me unlock really quick. Okay, that's added. Let me see if I can get something going here. Got these up. There we go. Yeah, these sound really clear. Good bass. These are really good. Definitely be good for walks in the park, for the gym, conference calls, Sierra, Alexa, and all that good stuff. It does pick up. So definitely check them out now. Get them at a low cost. Take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast shipping. YouTubers, you guys have a good day. Thank you guys at TREBLAB for sending me these. These are nice. These are a great gift for anybody. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great day, and see ya.